National Electrical Code Section 680.22 mandates that all metal parts of a pool insulation be bonded together to create an equipotential plane. This requirement aims to minimize voltage gradients in the pool area, reducing the risk of electric shock to people in or around the pool. The purpose of bonding is not necessarily to carry fault current back to the source, like an equipment grounding conductor, but rather to equalize the electrical potential between all metallic parts. While Section 680.22 specifies that the bonding conductor does not need to be connected to the service equipment, it also states that junction boxes must be bonded. A motor disconnect used for a pool pump or heater is considered a junction box. Therefore, it must be bonded to the other metallic parts of the pool structure. This bonding is achieved by connecting a number 8 American wire gauge solid copper bonding conductor to a lug on the exterior of the disconnect enclosure. This number 8 bonding conductor should also be connected to the nearby pool pump motor housing, the metal housing of the pool heater, and any other metallic components that are part of the pool structure. The connection points should be clean and free of corrosion to ensure good electrical conductivity. In addition to the external bonding, the motor disconnect also requires an equipment grounding conductor, or EG, to be run inside the conduit along with the circuit conductors that feed the motor. The EGC is connected to the grounding terminal inside the disconnect enclosure and then continues to the motor. This EGC provides a path for fault current to return to the electrical panel in the event of a short circuit or ground fault. The combination of the external bonding conductor and the internal equipment grounding conductor provide a comprehensive safety system for the pool equipment. It's important to understand the difference between bonding and grounding. Bonding equalizes the electrical potential, while grounding provides a path for fault current. Both are crucial for electrical safety around swimming pools. The National Electrical Code defines specific requirements for both. For pool bonding, the number 8 solid copper conductor is the standard. The conductor must be insulated, covered, or bare. The conductor must be installed in a manner that minimizes the risk of damage or corrosion. This includes avoiding sharp bends, protecting the conductor from physical damage, and using approved connectors and fittings. The connection points must be accessible for inspection and maintenance. The NEC also addresses the bonding of specific items, like metal forming shells, reinforcing steel, and perimeter surfaces. Metal forming shells for underwater lights must be bonded to the equipotential bonding grid. Reinforcing steel and concrete pool shells must also be bonded, typically at multiple points. Perimeter surfaces, such as concrete decks, must be bonded if they are within a certain distance of the pool. Typically this distance is 3 feet horizontally from the inside wall of the pool, and it includes the area extending vertically to 12 feet above the maximum water level of the pool. These requirements ensure that all potential touch points around the pool are at the same electrical potential. Proper installation of pool bonding requires careful attention to detail and adherence to the NEC requirements. It is recommended that a qualified electrician perform the work to ensure that all connections are made correctly and that the system is functioning properly. Improper bonding can create hazardous conditions and increase the risk of electric shock. In summary, bonding the motor disconnect is an essential part of the overall pool bonding system. It helps to equalize the electrical potential between the disconnect and other metallic parts of the pool structure. This reduces the risk of electric shock and ensures the safety of people using the pool. Always consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and local codes for specific requirements and guidance.